Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the headset and controller are powered and updated. This prevents false alarms. Once done, connect the headset to the controller and ensure the plug clicks. Loose connections cause static or no chat. Then navigate to Settings, Devices and Connections, and open Accessories so you can access the controller profile. You need direct access to the controller audio controls. This lets you isolate whether the mixer problem is hardware, settings, or controller-linked, and prepares you for the next step. Now, you change the chat mixer balance while monitoring both chat and game audio so you can hear the effect in real time. Make sure the output option sends chat to the headset and not to speakers, because wrong routing mutes chat unexpectedly. Once you set the balance and outputs, leave the audio settings and restart the party or game app to force the system to reapply routing. If voice levels differ, use the controller's volume wheel to fine-tune. This separates in-game audio from voice for clarity. Finish by verifying the change. Join a party and speak while someone confirms your mic and chat levels. If problems persist, swap the headset or controller briefly to see whether the accessory is at fault. This isolates hardware quickly. Also power cycle the console. Hold the Xbox button 10 seconds, then sign back in to clear transient audio routing errors. If nothing works, update or reset the controller firmware in the Accessories app. One troubleshooting tip. If chat cuts out intermittently, test wired vs wireless headset connection. Intermittent drops often indicate a loose jack or failing cable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.